As you can see, my viewers and subscribers, it's a rainy day in Georgia. As you can see, you see the guy down there getting wetting up. My viewers and subscribers, I need for you to know that it's a rainy day today in the afternoon. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, it's a rainy day in my community, so I am going to show you all how my community look, so you can see, my viewers and subscribers. It's a rainy day, okay, all rainy, all wet, right and proper way in Kingston, Jamaica. As you can see, guys, in Kingston, Jamaica, it's very wet. As you can see, it's very wet. My viewers and subscribers, please leave a comment in the comment section so I know which content to be posted and keeping you updated on what's going on. Yes, so I have to go through those Norris Lane out here in Jamaica. You have to be a very skeptic. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, it's a rainy day. As you can see, it's very rainy and very cloudy. As you can see, my viewers and subscribers, I hope you can see very well. It's a kind of dark. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, in Kingston, Jamaica, it's weathery, a lot of rain pouring down, but the natural beauty is just so great. As you guys can see, very beautiful. Wow. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you to support my channel each and every day.